Hey guys, welcome to another video. On June 11, 2022, Chef Pii announced the pink sauce in a TikTok video and thereafter started taking orders for the sauce. Customers raised concerns about the sauce's potential to cause botulism after noticing anomalies in the ingredient list. Additionally, people on TikTok drew attention to the sauce's lack of FDA approval. On July 1st, 2022, the product was redesigned for safety and put back on the market. Sometime about August 3rd, 2022, it was completely gone. In the fall of 2022, Chef Pii intended to mass produce the sauce. Following a recipe rewrite and package change to comply with FDA guidelines, pink sauce was made available in 4,000 Walmart locations across the US on January 11th, 2023. Concerns about the sauce's labeling and food safety caused debate. Customers complained that the sauce was inadequately packaged, had inconsistent color between batches, and included milk that may become botulism infected when placed in a bag. There were also claims that the sauce contained substances that weren't listed on the label, such mayonnaise, and differences between the amount of sauce in the bottle and the amount mentioned on the label. Hospitalizations were caused by food poisoning for several customers. Others claimed the item smelled and looked terrible. As a social experiment to see how quickly other people could spread misinformation, one TikTok user pretended to die after ingesting pink sauce. YouTuber MatPat posted a video regarding the pink sauce on the Food Theorist's YouTube channel on August 21st, 2022. He said the ingredients list was exaggerated and the serving sizes were wrong. He advised against eating the sauce because of possible health hazards. The difference between the amount of sauce shown on the label and the amount actually in the bottle, according to Chef Pii, was the result of guessing because she never weighed the product. She responded that her product is not a medical product when questioned whether the FDA had authorized it, drawing further criticism from readers who noted that the FDA regulates food. Chef Pii addressed the concerns with her sauce on Karamo Brown's talk program in October 2022. She was joined by Ala Brain, a fellow TikTok user and sauce hater who had sent a sample to a lab for analysis. Despite acknowledging the labeling error, by whom Chef Pii did not address worries regarding the transportation of perishable food. Brain was chastised by Chef Pii for her analysis of the sauce, and Brain was charged with making statements about her product in an effort to destroy Chef Pii's livelihood and business. Brain's ordered lab test results were never disclosed in the segment Better Source Needed. Shaw established a GoFundMe page to raise $100,000 in August 2023, alleging that she had been sabotaged and was poor. An FDA okay. The effing federal DA visited my place of business yesterday. I abide by FDA regulations and am completely compliant. I have no problems. I'm not getting locked up. Moving forward, no one can make any accusations against the pink sauce. Cook PI. The FDA launched an inquiry into the pink sauce on August 2nd, 2022. Concerns about the recipe and packaging were addressed through a partnership between Chef Pii and Dave's Gourmet. After receiving FDA approval, the modified product was introduced to Walmart shops in January 2023. GoFundMe account. On August 16, 2023, Chef Pii created a GoFundMe campaign and claimed that Dave's Gourmet had failed to pay her royalties for the book The Pink Sauce and that she was currently surviving on less than $20 per day. As a result, she created a crowdfunding campaign with a $100,000 fundraising target to raise money for her children's care. According to Dave's Gourmet, they have only been paying her the $120,000 specified in the contract thus far. She claims that she will also soon lose her flat. Her GoFundMe currently has $25,314 of the $100,000 needed. Reference needed. After it was discovered that Chef Pii had lied about her current circumstances at the time, on August 28, 2023, the page faced anger. Thank you for your time. Subscribe for more videos.